Hey gang, it's your boy Swag Boy underscore two. What's up, Swag Team? So we playing the Wolf game. It's an online game. You wanna download it, but they just live. I ain't gonna lie. So Will Mail and my name King Boy. We gotta change it to Swag Boy. Alright, there we click that. Swag Boy. Let me delete all this. Swag Boy underscore two. Okay, it's time to level up, defend, and I know. So we just gonna have to play. It gives them food. Then we gonna go against the wolves. So we gotta wait till it load. Now I get back to y'all. Okay guys, I'm back. It's back working. See, my thing is laying down. It's transport me. So alright. Why I doing it? I finna say my tab but not be lag. This is first time being lag. I hate when you do this. You gotta now you gotta go kill some animals. So we gotta run and go kill animals. So you see on this map right there. On the right side, see the map. When you see something white, that means there's something you can kill. See, I'll show you. There we go. There go 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got some good food. Where's lag? I hate when it's lag, bro. Come here. Come here. Oh, he love to fight me. Mm. 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 Come on, man. I don't want to go to war. Especially with the cane. Come here. Where you running? I know where to go. What are you running for? Alright. Okay, guys. So we just gonna. Oh, there goes something right here. I'm tripping. Dude, trip. Oh no. Not, not on this dude. Okay. Wait a minute. Come on. Come on. Don't run. You a big boy. So, 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 so. You dumb. Who he just gonna sit there and let me kill? Come here. Come here. You ain't going nowhere. Hmm? 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 Are you trying to bite? Boy, 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 boy. What's wrong with you? They think they cold. Oh, what's up? gimme. I killed that last one though. Voila. This is how you play the game. Oh, Pax. So, this ain't live. Where we going? Yours 540. I got 608. My health higher than last one of y'all. What's up? So, he left. I'm just like, oh, got some food. I smell you. I smell you. I smell you. You. Did he just, boy, you too bad to go to bad little boy. Think you will. Or I can go again. What did he do? No way. Pew! Oh! Your boy gone. I'm gone. I hate to catch him gone. I do it. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So fun. So fun. So fun. So fun. So fun. So so fun. So fun. So fun. I leveled up, feeling bored. I'm eating. Damn, I'm full food. Y'all folks slow, bro. Y'all need to get some food, bro. Food. Oh, food. Good. Oh. I just seen something. Oh. I see so much food on my screen. I'm sorry if I'm losing. Man, y'all can't see my face like that. Cause I'm holding it. I got to hold it to y'all. Oh, go. Make sure I make it, please. Please. Ready? Mm, mm, mm. Yo, go up. Go. No. Bro, this jam will not let her go. Oh, it's food on the ground. Oh, yeah. See? Bro, all y'all gotta do to level up. Come here. Quit running. Mm, mm, mm. Kill it, boy. Boy. Come here. Where you going? Where you going? Mm, mm. Yeah! Eat. Guess that boy don't want to eat. Swag, boy, you gotta eat now. Now he eat. Oh my goodness. How am I get? I gotta find a way to get up there. See, I'm still leveling up. I leveled up for the board. I'm a dog. I'm better on herb. Mm-hmm. Personal fishing. Yeah. She didn't lick it out. She just licked on it. She didn't wipe it out. She licked on it. Oh, good for, oh. Man, what's up? You trying to go in? I go thought they was gonna kill me, huh? I tried a time trip. My boy. So we just click this and go back. Yes, quick. I got to do something. Ooh, something. I'll be back. I'm frozen, y'all. Look at my mouth. Look like I'm drunk. This shit just frozen, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end this right here because I got to go do something. And love y'all so much. Stay everything. Love everybody. Don't never hate nobody. But stay swag team. Peace.